Hi, my name is Carlos, and I'm speaking to you today about solar energy. Today, the technology actually produces only less than 1/10 of 1% of global energy needs.
Many people are familiar with solar panels found on things like spacecrafts, rooftops, and handheld calculators. The cells are made up of semiconductor materials found in computer chips. When sunlight hits the cells, it knocks electrons loose from their atoms. As those electrons flow through the cells, they generate electricity. Solar energy is an exhaustible fuel source that is pollution and mostly noise-free.
Solar energy has surged about 20% over the last 15 years, thanks to rapidly falling prices and the gain in efficiency. This has been Solar Energy by Carlos, signing off.
Hi, I'm Haley Smith, and today I'm going to talk to you about skin cancer. Skin cancer is a general term for the uncontrollable growth of abnormal cells in the skin. Now I'm going to talk to you about the three common types, which include basal cell carcinoma, squamous cell carcinoma, and melanoma. Okay, so basal cells and squamous cells are housed in the first layer, which is called the epidermis of the skin. The sun rays, which is the UVB rays, affect the first layer and therefore deteriorate the skin after a certain amount of time, causing the cancer cells to begin to form. So on the other hand, UVA rays seep through the second. On the other hand, UVA rays seep deeper into the skin, affecting the second and third layers. The second and third layers are what contain the melanocytes, which produce the melanin. The melanin protects us from sun rays, but after a certain point of sun exposure, it exceeds the amount that it can protect us from, and therefore causes our cells to become cancerous. This has been Skin Cancer with Haley Smith. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Megan Beeson, and today I'm going to be telling you about how vitamin D affects the human body. To start off, I'm going to tell you about the sun's rays journey through your skin and how they help you function. In order to maintain a healthy lifestyle, adults are recommended to have 5 to 15 minutes outside in the sun at least twice a week. This is important because vitamin D3 aids calcium absorption in the bones, helps the nervous system function, and prevents diseases like osteomalacia and rickets. Plants have photosynthesis, but humans have dermal vitamin synthesis. It begins with the sun rays going down into the skin and being absorbed by a steroid called 7-dehydrocholesterol. This turns into vitamin D and absorbed through the kidneys, liver, and then turns into glycerol, which goes throughout the body and helps the body function. This has been Vitamin D with Megan Beeson. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jonathan Violante, and today I'm going to talk to you about photosynthesis and how the sun has a part in photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is everything to do with the sun. Pretty much, the name says it all. Photo stands for light, and synthesis for putting together. So, light puts everything together. Alright, well, photosynthesis is a process that plants use to trap the sun's energy, and that way build carbohydrates called glucose, which store the energy. So, photosynthesis happens in two phases, the Calvin cycle and the Krebs cycle. The Krebs cycle is inside and within the Calvin cycle. So, first off, the light that comes from the sun creates ATPs, which then the plant releases as oxygen. The second phase is the dark and light-independent reaction uses those ATPs that the plant has already created through chemical energy, which we can see is water plus light, to make those into glucose, which is the sugar that creates the energy. So this has been Johnny Violante talking to you about the influence of the sun in photosynthesis. Without the sun, there would be no photosynthesis, which means that there would be no human life.